always excited all the time, whether it's a shoot or it's a film or anything we're doing. So today's photo shoot, yeah, I'm very excited because in photo shoots we can experiment and do different stuff. And in a movie, probably, especially the choice of roles that I do, there's not much experimentation that you can do with looks. Though I try to play a different character each time and look different, but in a photo shoot you can go all out. I think कोई भी dancer को प्रभुदेवा के साथ dance करना, it's like a really exciting thing. We just shot a song in Goa जहाँ पे बहुत सारा dance है, and I think he is a legend. He's someone who dances really well, but moreover, more than the dancing, I think I learn a lot of टाइमिंग फ्रॉम हिम, क्योंकि वो छोटी छोटी चीज़ें करते हैं सीन के बीच में भी, एंड देयर इज़ लाइक दैट वन एक्सप्रेशन ही विल डू एंड ही स्टील्स द होल सीन. सो लाइक लिटिल थिंग्स लाइक दैट, एक्सप्रेशंस इवन इन अ सॉन्ग, इवन अगर वो डांस नहीं कर रहे हैं बट ही विल डू लाइक अ फेस से सम एक्सप्रेशन एंड मेक इट लुक really fantastic. So I think I learn a lot from this. I think social networking is great because we can put our opinions, our thoughts, our views on things, or just generally talk and interact with people who watch our movies, क्योंकि हम लोग films fans के लिए ही बना रहे हैं. So we want people to watch it. It's not like I'm making my films for myself. So I'm a very fortunate actress to have a huge fan following and people who are very supportive. कभी कभी there are images of mine that come out like without makeup और जब भी बाल बने नहीं हैं, but I still get very positive feedback from fans. There are people who of course will put some nasty comments, but then these fans stand up and support me and they'll fight and they'll say, Q, how dare you say this to Ada? And so I'm very lucky to have that. But yes, you do get trolled sometimes for stuff, and I think you take that with this. You take the good with the bad. And yeah, I think kabhi there are people who look at your on-screen characters and they think कि वो character real में आप हो. I think वो बहुत बड़ा compliment है if somebody thinks I'm like my character, means I've pulled it off convincingly and I've managed to deliver that properly. But I think yeah, a little bit you should draw the line somewhere where I don't know either. It's different for different situations, and I thought the right thing for me to do for that situation was react like the way. Shoot actually चालू नहीं हुई अभी तक. They've announced it, and I'm very excited to be part of it because आप लोगों ने मुझे इतना प्यार दिया कमांडो 2 से and वो कैरेक्टर भावना रेड्डी से, so I'd like to take that forward. मैंने रियलिटी शो जज किया, जैसे नच बलिए, एक्चुअली वो नच बलिए ही है साउथ का. So मेरा पहला टाइम था जजिंग में. I had lots of fun judging. It was I mean, you get to watch live performances and you get to be on a judges panel, so I felt very important. And yeah, it was fun. It was another new thing. I don't think I'll be able to do a reality show जहाँ मैं participant हूँ, because it's a very stressful thing. I saw सिर्फ डांस का नहीं, but it's just very stressful. I don't think मैं कर पाऊँगी. But judging was cool क्योंकि मुझ पे कोई stress नहीं था. It was just you know, the only stress is like choose the right people. So we're shooting for a magazine, and like every photo shoot we're trying to do a little different. I like कि मैं हर बार कुछ ना कुछ अलग करूँ. So this is the first look. This is a gown, so it's like a very ethereal look. The other looks are, we're doing different looks which are all different from the others. So the others you'll see when the pictures are out. So this is for all of you guys. Thank you.